Welcome to Maven Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to talk about demonstrative pronoun and possessive pronoun. Welcome to Maven Knowledge. In this video, we are going to talk about demonstrative pronoun and possessive pronoun. So let's start. First of all, it's very important. First of all, what is pronoun? Welcome to Maven Knowledge. In this video, we are going to talk about the other two types of pronoun, that is demonstrative and possessive. First of all, if you're not aware, pronoun is one of the parts of a speech. There are total of 8 parts of a speech. I have made a separate video on each and every parts of a speech, so you can refer to those videos anytime, as it will help you build your English grammar. And let's start with pronoun. First of all, pronouns are words used in the place of a noun. I, me, you, who, what, myself, yourself, each other, nobody. As mentioned earlier in my previous videos as well, there are 8 types of pronouns. In my previous video, I have discussed about personal pronouns, and in this video, I'm going to talk about demonstrative and possessive pronouns. So you can refer to my previous video on personal pronoun as well. What is demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or to point something. It is used in 2 different ways, and this is used for singular items that are nearby. These is used for multiple items that are nearby. So what is demonstrative pronoun? This, these, that, those. This is used for singular items that are nearby. These is used for multiple items that are nearby. That is for faraway items. That is used for faraway singular items. Those is used for multiple items that are far away. And if we are talking about the distance, that can be physical and that can be metaphorical as well. So it's not that we are talking about only physical distance. We are also talking about metaphorical distance. Let's see examples. In case of singular, what we are using? This is using in case of nearby items, something which is near to us, close to us. And in case of plural, we are using these. In case of distance, far away items, we are using that. In case of plural, we are using those. Examples are this can be read easily. That is not visible to my eyes. These are pretty. These are pretty. Those are very far. Those are very far from me. Let's look at possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership, like mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs. And we use them keeping in mind whether it's singular or plural, whether we are talking about a single person or multiple people, whether we are talking about first person, second person, third person. If you are not aware about all these 3 types of person, first person, second person and third person, I have made a separate video on that. You can refer to that video, and it will help you understand the type of person. And also when we talk about subject and object, I have also made a separate video on that. You can refer to those to understand pronouns more easily. So in case of first person, both in case of male and female, what we are using? Mine. This pen is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. It can be male or female, it depends. Okay, and we are talking about single person. In case of second person, it's also again used in case of both male or female. Yours. I have Mike's homework. where is yours? So yours is, that can be male or female, that depends, but we are talking about second person. Third is, if in case of male, we use his. Each drawings were beautiful, but his was the perfect. So his drawings, so we are talking about his drawings. So we are saying each drawings were beautiful, but his was the perfect. So we are referring to, but his drawing was the perfect. So his is possessive pronoun, and we will use it in case of male. In case of female, we will use hers. In case of female, we will use hers. All kids have arrived, but where is hers? Okay, so all kids have arrived, but where is her kids? So instead of saying that, what we are saying? We are saying, but where is hers? So hers is third person, we will use in case of female. In case of plural, that means in case of multiple people, in case of first person, we will use ours or ours, both in case of male or female. Their bungalow is smaller. Their bungalow is smaller than ours. So that means their bungalow is smaller than our bungalow. So instead of saying that, what we are saying, their bungalow is smaller than ours. Okay, we are using s. In case of second person, yours. Each teams have uniform color. Yours are gray. So yours are gray means your uniform color is gray. So instead of saying this, we are saying yours are gray. In case of third person, we will use theirs. That umbrella is ours and not theirs. So that umbrella is ours and it's not their umbrella. So instead of saying that, we are saying that umbrella is ours and not theirs. We are using s. Okay, and we can use this in case of both male, female and neuter. So that's all on possessive pronoun. and demonstrative pronoun. See you in my next video.